right, welcome back. Nigerian governor reveals how foreign bandits are trying to launch deadly attacks on Yoruba land. All right, the news in detail. The governor of Oyo State, Seyi Makinde, has disclosed that Nigeria is facing security threats on the border it shares with Mali, a neighboring country. Governor Makinde said bandits from Mali are trying to enter the country through Saki, a town in Oyo State. The Oyo State governor made the disclosure when he visited the palace of the Okere of Saki. Khalid Olabisi Premium Times reported. Governor Makinde raised concerns over the challenge of banditry in Saki. He said, for instance, Saki shares an international border, and it is more of an international issue because we have bandits all the way from Mali that are trying to cross. Once they gain entrance into anywhere they can operate, they will stay there. When we inaugurated Amotekun, you gave us your support. When some bandits went to the bush at Kishi, we were able to flush them out with all the efforts of all of us here. Okay, the governor commended the traditional ruler for the support he has given the current administration in Oyo State. It will be recalled that the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò in council has cried out over the perceived presence of ISIS militants and terrorists in the southwest region of Nigeria. The council, in a statement on Tuesday, August 25th, claimed that the insurgents have been sighted in places like the Oke-Ogun area of Oyo and Niger State through Ibarubaland. Okay, during a meeting presided over by Gani Adams, the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land, the council made it known that terrorists in form of herdsmen have already infiltrated the region. The statement read in part, the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò in council has in its possession credible intelligence gathered from within and outside the country, which indicates the infiltration of terrorists and herdsmen in the region. More worrisome, the intelligence report also reveals that suspected ISIS operatives have positioned themselves in Niger State via Ibarubaland and are now within the Oke-Ogun corridor of Oyo State. Indeed, the intel also reveals that about 500 power bikes and assorted ammunition belonging to the terrorists have been sighted along the abandoned Lusada route moving towards Sokoto from Igbora in Oyo State. The council therefore called on the government on all levels to strengthen the nation's border, as well as beef up security to prevent a new wave of insurgency. In a related development, a report by Punch indicates that some residents of Katsina State have relocated to the headquarters of Batsari and Jibiya local government over the incessant attacks in the areas. It was gathered that a community leader in Jibiya local government area, Malam Gide Dahiru, said that many communities in the council were now on self-imposed curfew from 7 p.m. till morning to avoid being kidnapped or attacked by the bandits. Dahiru alleged that 3 women were kidnapped along with their babies on Sunday, December 27, in a village called Polka Mabile along Zamfara Road, adding that bandits injured 2 people who were later taken to the hospital on Monday, December 28. The bandits now operate virtually on a daily basis in our communities. Many residents have either moved to Jibia, the headquarters of the council, while some who still stay in the communities now retire home by 7 p.m. to avoid being kidnapped or attacked by the bandits. Many things are happening now. We beg God for intervention. The report also noted that a district head in the council who pleaded for anonymity disclosed that almost 30 victims were abducted in Garin Dodo in Kasai area, while another 10 women were abducted in Biyakakwana village during the weekend attacks. Dairu also disclosed that one person was shot by the bandits during the attack, while a newly wedded couple were abducted in Bakon Zabo, also in the council. All right, and this had been said so far. Well, a lot of things are actually happening. A lot of things are actually going wrong in the country as we speak. Okay, and then as it is, what is our president doing about it? That has been the question. We have a president. We have a vice president in this country, in Nigeria. All these people, they are there. So what is their job? Insecurity, times without number, a lot of people we have said this repeatedly, and nothing has been done so far onto this. What do we do about that? May the good Lord continue to protect us. This is not getting interesting again. As we speak right now, it's not interesting. Like somebody was narrating his audio yesterday, and it was like, he traveled, this man traveled to Abuja, coming from Abuja to Benin, okay? And then the transport vehicle he boarded, Big Joe transport vehicle, yes, okay, according to this man, that he boarded, once it was 7 p.m. as they were coming down to those states, it was late. By 7 p.m., the driver said, "Oh, my people are not go fit go again. Because the road it gets it be if I see my face I go hear am because it no go easy. So make we park somewhere. Maybe tomorrow morning una will come out to come find on our way." Now in the people where they say the bus, which kind thing be this? Which kind matter be this? Now we get where we they go. 7 p.m. No worry. Oga give us our small balance. Make we join another motor. The man say, na so na want. I say, yes, so na so we want them. Now in the man carry small money, give them. Oh yeah, make una collect. This one go carry una go where na they go. At least I don't carry una pass half of the road. Now in these people say, no bala, about you try. But we fire our way. Now in them fire their way, enter roadside carry Charter Sienna with one pregnant woman inside them. Now they say, okay, Benin, we they go. Now then come out, then follow the motto. They go Benin. My brother, this one will be smart something. The man will escape the kidnap. Now he can they tell this story as it happen. Why they na so? No be small something. Okay, now him they come enter the Sienna. They carry them go. Then they go. Now him they reach one corner. They call it Ikpowa. Waiting be that Ikpokpo. Now these people, they kidnapper now. They don't come again. Now they shoot. That driver no fit move. Driver stop it. They drag everybody come out. Then beat driver, beat him. Tikpokpo him out too. You know that kind of thing. Tikpokpo anywhere. Driver don't weak. Driver can't reason as okay. This one. We don't need the driver. Make driver carry wakarala they go. They don't beat am like person. Wait thief. Now they carry the rest of them. The rest people they knock them go inside. According to this man, 411. That is 6 of them. Because according to waiting he explained, 6 of them with only one pregnant woman. Make una know wetin dey happen for this obodo Naija. Say everybody now where they travel, may shine your eye, may shine your eye. It don't happen. Be say wetin can they happen for this Naija now? Be say we no fit even travel. You no fit even travel. Make you just relax, finish. Say okay, they travel for my own country again. the level to which the insecurity don affect us na im be that. Okay, as I dey talk dey go na him o. They come dey say okay, make dem dey make una waka, dem dey beat dem. The kidnapper don carry them, they don release driver. The rest people wey be 6 with only one pregnant woman, then they push them, they go. Oh yeah, make una go halele inside bush, make una dey waka. Oh my God, now they start to dey waka. Pregnant woman waka sote, pregnant woman sit down for ground say, hey, abeg oga, I no fit go again. I don tire. Hey, now they see my condition. I fit go kpai for here. Now the bandit they look am say, which kind wahala be this? Oh yeah, madam, you don't worry, you no go kpai for here. We must carry you go. Now madam, the manager as they see say. If be like say this madam self, come strong again, no, now madam fall for ground, as madam fall for ground, they come the try to carry madam, whether madam go come back to life. Now one of the people where they kidnap, the victim, now one escape. He too, that one enter inside bush, that one faka, that one waka, as they say this one, they shoot, meter, they shoot, the guy don't go. Like say this guy said, don't do monkey in the jungle before. Now the guy move, and he detain verse the kidnapper, and they leave this woman. You get belle, they leave her, make it buy for there. Say, carry your wahala go. My brother, this thing where the yarn on no be say na film. This one na waiting happen. Where people don't they talk, and this man where they yarn this thing, he don't escape. But no be say he escape. I go tell on as he happen. Man, na they hear me. Okay, now so. Now they can't leave the woman. So yeah, say this other one don't escape, and you this woman, now you cause away this man to escape now because they try to resuscitate you so that you go come back alive. Okay, no wahala, may we just leave you, may buy for them. Now so they leave this woman inside with that. My brother, things they happen. Now they start to the waka 3 hours. Inside forest for midnight for night this time where we dey talk we go down they go like after 9 9 p.m. inside bush now they waka itu 3 hours. They never reach. They see they waka inside the forest Igbo. After 3 hours, now they cross one jungle. As they cross one jungle, they enter another place. So now they relax small. They see from there they constantly carry them to continue to the waka itowa. They take another 2 hours. So make person waka 5 hours inside bush. They how you come think say they want to catch these people. My brother, now waiting they happen for Obodo Naija be that they yano na make na the reason as now they travel now. Make everybody shiny eye things they happen make una they pray. Okay, now so it be after we be say they can't do now about 4 of the people we say they carry go there. My brother, no be everything yan. Then just go pay ransom for 4 of them. We be say them pay ransom for their brother company. Now they pay for those ones. They use 4 days so inside that place. Then pay. Then come out. Pregnant woman he don't die now. Wait till they talk about. So now the one of the people we can come out to inside them. Now you can they tell us all this story away. We can't they now. So what will they talk now? Be say as far as this country it can't be now. God, I beg you. Now beg you, we they beg you. May God joy help us. All right, my people, now so it can't be onto this matter. Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.